Law of sines, we're starting. Should look like this on your notes. Law of sines. Here's the formula. It's right up here. It's quite easy. It's all proportions. That's it. So across from angle C is side C. Across from angle A is side A. And across from angle B is side B. Basically, that's all you gotta know. Angles are capital and sides are lowercase. An angle and the opposite side are the same letter. So just like we just went through right here. So looking at this, solve the triangle. So basically find any missing parts. So first thing I'm going to do is draw myself a triangle. Label it A, B, C. They give me, the reason we use law of sines and cosines is if it's not a right triangle. So none of these are going to have a 90-degree angle. Okay. A, B, and C. It says B is 34 degrees, and then it says C is 100 degrees, and side B is 8. So across from side B is 8. So what three things do I need? I need angle A, I need side A, and I need side C. Those are going to be my three answers. So I'm going to set up a proportion here. Actually, let's start with angle A. Three angles in the triangle add up to be 180. So I'm going to do 180 minus 100 minus 34 and get myself 46 degrees. So I'm going to put that in my picture, 46. So then I'm going to set up my proportion. My proportion says sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. So let's set that up. Sine 46 over A, because we don't know A, equals sine 34 over 8. We actually do know side B equals sine 100 over C. So basically I'm going to do a proportion. I can do two proportions here. I can do this one, and I can do this one. Two proportions. So first one, I'm going to take these and cross multiply. 8 times sine 46 equals A times sine 34. And then just divide by sine 34. So this is what I'm going to plug into my calculator. Let's do that. So on top I have 8 sine 46 divided by sine 34. 10.29. So that means side A is 10.29. For sine C, I'm going to cross multiply these. So C times sine 34 equals 8 times sine 100. Divide by sine 34. And then I get C value. And when I do that, I get 14.09. There we go. Love it. Okay, let's keep going here. So we got our triangle FUN, fun. Ha ha ha. Okay. I need angle F, I need angle N, and I need side F. These are like my three answers. So, I used a little bit of room here. Set up my proportion. I have U and U already, so I'm going to do sine 105 over 13 equals, start with angle N, because that's what I have, sine N over 6. So this time when I cross multiply, I get 6 times sine 105 equals 13 times sine N. I'm going to divide by 13. So then I get sine N equals, and if I plug this into my calculator, 6 sine 105, divide that by 13, I get 0.445. Now to go from here, I need to get rid of that sine, so that means I'm using inverse. Sine inverse of 0.445 gives me 26.4 degrees. So that's angle N is 26.4 degrees. Once I know two of the angles, I can find the third one by just doing 180 minus 105 minus 26.4, because they all add to be 180, 48.6. So then just to get my third side, I'm going to set up another proportion. Let's get that out of the way. Okay. So sine 105 over 13, because that's my ones across from each other, equals sine, I'm looking for F, side F, so I'm going to use angle F, 48.6. Now do your cross multiplying, same thing like we did in that first example, and you get side F to be 10.04. Okay, a couple more examples. Here we go, triangle DEW. So DEW. D is 51 degrees, side D is 3.5, side E is 5. Okay, so I need angle W, angle E, and side W. These are going to be my three answers here. So to set the proportion, I have D for both of them. So I'm going to do sine 51 over 3.5 equals sine E over, because I have E, 5. Do my cross multiplying, do my sine inverse, all that good stuff we did up in this problem. And when I do that for angle E, I get 27.2. Then once again, I already have two angles of my triangle. To get my third one, I just add them to be 180. So when I do 180 minus 51 minus 27.2, I get 101.8. And to get my last side, I'm going to use sine 51 over 3.5 equals sine 101.8 over W, because my capital W is my angle, and I'm looking for that one. So when I cross multiply and solve for W, I get little w to be 10.71. I think you can figure the rest out. Hopefully you can do this one all by yourself.